In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Smartsheet form. Whether you're new to Smartsheet or looking to refine your workflow, editing forms is an essential skill to make your processes streamlined and efficient. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to open the sheet that the form is linked to. This step is crucial because the form you want to edit is directly associated with this specific sheet, and accessing it from here will give you the full functionality you need to make changes. Once you've got the right sheet open, look towards the menu at the top of the screen and click on the Forms option. This will open a drop-down menu where you need to select Manage Forms. Here, you'll see a list of all the forms that are linked to your sheet, making it easy to navigate and find the specific form you want to edit. With the list of forms in front of you, locate the form you wish to adjust. Next to it, you'll see an edit icon, which looks like a pencil. Click on this icon, and it will bring you directly into the Form Builder. The Form Builder is your workspace for making edits and changes. Once you're in the Form Builder, pay attention to the Form tab located on the right side. This is your main control panel and allows you to make essential edits to your form. Here, you can add new fields, remove unnecessary ones, reorder the fields to fit your desired flow, or even rename existing fields for clarity. Adjusting field properties is straightforward in this tab. Whether you want to add labels, write helpful text, or set them as required fields, you can do it all here. This flexibility is incredibly handy for tailoring the form to fit your project perfectly. If you're looking to customize the appearance of your form to make it more visually appealing or aligned with your branding, click on the Format Background icon located in the top left area of the Form Builder. This feature allows you to set either a background color or add an image, giving your form a personalized touch. Additionally, you can enhance the organization of your form by adding headers or section dividers directly from the toolbar within the Form Builder. These elements help break up the form into digestible sections, making it easier for users to follow and complete. After you've made all these changes and you're satisfied with how the form looks and functions, it's important not to forget to save your work. Simply click the Save button to ensure all your changes are preserved. And there you have it, a fully customized and edited Smartsheet form ready to be put to use. Thanks for watching and happy form building.